everybody. Thank you for tuning in to our next video. The question for this week was submitted. I would like to add some curb appeal to my home's exterior. Is this something that we can do on our own, or is this something that we should hire a contractor for? And we're here with Kelly Godwin today, and she's going to give you some tips, pointers, and advice on this question. Kelly?
Yeah, so if you want to add curb appeal to your home, that is definitely something that part of it you could do yourself. Other things you may want to trust to a professional. Things that you might could do on your own, very simple landscaping, or you could put window boxes up. That would definitely up the curb appeal, give you some color there. You could always change out your shutters. Those are things that you could purchase and install yourself. Or a lot of times you drive around neighborhoods in this area and you see people have painted their front door. So that's something that could really brighten up your curb appeal. Some things that you might want to hire a professional for if you're doing I would think if you're doing very in-depth landscaping, you may want to hire a professional, which if you didn't know, there are a couple of landscape companies that are actually members of the Home Builder Association. So that means that they're licensed and insured, so that's always a good thing. Also, if you're doing any kind of addition, like a porch or any kind of structure, you probably want to hire a professional for that, just to make sure that everything is built up to code and safe, because you'd hate to have a beautiful structure collapse and then there goes your curb appeal. Also, if you're ever wanting to change out all the siding on your house or changing up the roof on your house, you probably want to hire a professional for that. We've got a couple of examples here where we added some curb appeal to a house over in Guntersville, just off the lake. We were able to add a roof structure here with a little architectural element to it and put in some really pretty shutters. So that was one way we added curb appeal, and we also painted the front door a really neat color. Also, this is another project where we updated the curb appeal and did a couple of different styles of siding. We used some board and batten siding. We did a rock face on the front porch, and then put in some like cedar shake looking siding too. So there's a lot of options available when it comes to siding. So I guess the options are limitless as far as what kind of curb appeal you're going for. But definitely, if you're doing any kind of siding or roofing work, you want to hire a professional. And roofers in the state of Alabama are actually required to have a license now. So you want to ask for that before you change out your roof, whether it's metal or if it's just shingles, you still want to ask for that. So those are some ideas for curb appeal, and reach out if you have any other questions about that.
Awesome, thank you, and thank you for tuning in, and be looking for our next video that'll come out next week. Have a great week, everyone.